you're just starting your business, choosing a revenue stream is one of the most important decisions that you're going to make. As your business grows, you'll likely want to consider adding new revenue streams so you can make even more money. In this video, we're going to look at a number of different revenue streams that you should consider, dozens of revenue streams out there that you could choose from, but I'm going to list 7 of the most common ones used by owners of small to mid-sized businesses. Now, keep in mind that there are no right or wrong income streams. It's just ultimately what is best for you and your business. Let's talk about physical products first. Now, this is the stream most people think of first. This involves trading a physical product for money. Some examples could be selling clothing, photography, equipment, furniture, or pet supplies. You could choose to make your own products by wholesale, sell for a profit, or drop ship products, meaning you sell other people's products and never have to carry any inventory. Digital products have always been very popular, and this stream involves trading an intangible product or a digital product for money. Some of the most common types of digital products are ebooks, software, templates, and music. Other examples that also fall into the product subscription and education categories are online courses and membership sites. Consumer services are services that you provide directly to a customer, an individual rather than a business. Some examples include restaurants, transportation, like for example, an Uber driver would be a great example, travel, a hair salon. Obviously, there's a lot of brick and mortar service-based businesses, but there are a lot of online service-based business models as well. Now, business services are services that you provide to another business or business owner. Some examples include bookkeeping, accounting, business consulting, coaching, graphic design, Facebook ad or social media management services, copywriting, marketing services. I mean, the list could go on and on and on. Subscription services are when there is a customer that pays a subscription fee or a monthly fee to regularly receive products. While these companies deliver physical products, you can also sell digital products or even services using this model. For instance, as a life coach, you could offer a monthly coaching package with access to online support for an ongoing monthly fee. If you're not quite sure about this particular revenue stream, let me share a stat with you. According to research, 70% of business leaders believe subscription and membership services will be the key to business growth in the coming years. So now's the time perhaps to consider this as a revenue stream and jump on board. Advertising is another revenue stream. So if you have a large social media following or a popular website, you could accept advertising from companies who want to reach your audience. Some options you could offer advertisers include banner ads, sponsored blogs, social media posts, affiliate deals, or sponsored product reviews. As I mentioned before, there is some overlap with other streams. So if you love teaching, this can be an excellent option. This could involve selling self-paced online courses, live online courses, or educational content like ebooks, guides, templates, or videos. With so many great options to choose from, how do you go about choosing the one that's right for you? So there's basically 3 simple questions that you need to ask yourself. Which one or ones are you passionate about? After going through some of these revenue streams, there's probably a good chance that one of them, at least one of them, jumped out at you. There may also be some you know you definitely don't want. For instance, if you love writing and teaching, selling a digital product or creating an online course may be the perfect fit for you. And having a predictable stream of monthly income, then a subscription service might be more suited for your business. The second question you need to think about is how much time will it take? There's a huge variability in terms of how much time and effort goes into each of these revenue streams that I've talked about. For instance, while it may take you 100 hours to create an online course, it will continue to bring in passive income for years to come. On the other hand, if you're offering a product subscription service, you'll need to factor in the time it takes each and every month for sourcing products, packaging, mailing, customer service, etc. As you consider your options, think about how much time you have to realistically invest in that revenue stream. especially in light of existing revenue streams that you may already have. And the third question is, how much profit will you make? Now, this is relatively easy to figure out if you're selling products. You can calculate the cost of manufacturing or selling your products less the amount that you're selling them for. It's a pretty easy calculation. But if you're selling digital products or services, this can be a bit trickier, but it is still totally doable. One of the best ways to approach this is to think about this from the perspective of what would you like your hourly rate to be? For instance, if it would take you 10 hours per month per client for a coaching subscription and you're charging each client $500 per month, this means you're making approximately $50 an hour. So if you approach it with this simple calculation, it'll give you a reasonable idea of, whether or not your revenue stream is worthwhile. It'll also help you determine your chargeable value. And we're going to talk more about your chargeable value in the next video.